my god, I think she's coming out.
It's a challenge for YouTube.
Yes. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing the challenge today, and I just pulled into Starbucks. I never really had Starbucks before, but let's go ahead and see how this works. Hi, can I get the same thing that the person in front of me just got?
A nice grande. I think she got a white mocha with cream and caramel drizzle.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, that's it. All right. Thank you. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. Grande white mocha with caramel drizzle.
Yes.
Oh, it's a beautiful day.
I know it is.
Ah,
Thank you.
yes, ma'am. This is your card.
Thank you.
All right, baby.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. I forgot what I got, but I know they said it. Something with a drizzle, a duh. It's a grande ice white mocha caramel drizzle. This is what it looks like. I don't drink coffee at all. So this is gonna be interesting. It's not bad. It's not sweet though. You could taste the coffee. That's not bad. I'm gonna go to McDonald's next and maybe get like breakfast or something, because I know coffee is just not gonna cut it. Like, no girl. This was only like $5, so that's not too bad. I'm just praying that I don't go behind somebody who ordered like something for like a lot of money. I'm gonna be like, you know what? I'm just gonna come back around. This is how people start their day with coffee. I do not start my day with coffee. I feel like I have to drink the whole thing because I bought it. I still have a lot to go. I'm not a coffee drinker, so it's... I hope I don't throw up. Alright, so let's go find a McDonald's to go get breakfast because, so I don't see anybody in the drive-thru. But let's just go ahead and do this. Lord, I hope nobody ordered nothing like too expensive. Whoa, by the way, we are at McDonald's. We're here.
What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I order the same thing that the person in front of me ordered?
What was that?
I don't, did anybody come before me order something before? Your most recent order?
The bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle meal?
Yeah, I'll take that. Was that all they had?
Yeah, we got a bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle meal with a small orange juice.
Okay, yes.
It's gonna be $6.73. First window, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, snap. Hi. I like the whipped cream though. I think that's the only thing I like.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too, ma'am.
Thank you.
Alright, so I got my food. I don't know where I can go stop to eat it at. Oh, I have to go to the post office. I might as well just stop at the post office first and then, yeah, I'm gonna do that. We can go. So I got orange juice. Should we try the orange juice first? Like, I don't even like orange juice. Oh my goodness. Ugh. So there's no condiments. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a hash brown. Hash brown is good. I guess the bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddle, McChicken, McGriddle. I don't know. McBreakfast. I don't know what it's called. The bread smells sweet. It is thick. This is the egg and the bacon and cheese. Oh, it's bacon and cheese. Okay. Let's try this. Is that supposed to be sweet? It's supposed to be sweet. I'm gonna sit in my car, eat the whole thing, and then go. I wish I had some jelly. Some jelly on there would be really good. I need water. I cannot drink the coffee anymore. I tried my best. I cannot drink the coffee anymore. That was it for lunch. I mean breakfast. And then I'll see you guys for lunch. Baby, I'm too busy counting all these blessings. So now I'm on my way to get lunch. It's like 3:30. I'm gonna go to Wendy's because it's literally right there. Hope y'all see that. Oh shoot. Am I in the... Oh crap. How do I get in here? Okay. So there are 3 cars in front of me. And this big car right here, I hope they don't order nothing big. Cause listen, Lord, for your glory, for my bank account's glory, don't let that person in front of me order something nasty. Puff. I'm showing out cause my puff is showing out. How about that? All right, my camera's about to die. So whenever it's my turn, I will be on my camera. Okay, so the person in front of me, she's black. She looks like she got good taste. Oh my god, I think she can see me. Okay, it's like just looking at me. Okay.
Wendy's gonna help you?
Hi, can I order the same thing that the person in front of me just got?
Huh?
Can I order the same thing that the person in front of me just got?
Okay.
Yeah, the
same drink?
Did they get anything to drink by any chance?
Strawberry Sprite.
That's what they got?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have that.
First one on that 4.
Thank you. Why she didn't get the lemonade? I wanted to try the lemonade. Alright, sis. I hope you got good taste, sis. Sis. I'm so hungry. Sis. She ain't paid a lot. Don't tell me all she got was a drink. Hi. How are you? Good, and yourself?
I'm good.
Oh. Okay. Hi, thank you. And everything is in there with the dipping sauce? Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Park, so I can tell y'all what I got. She got a 4 for $4. Yeah, so it's $4.28. Yeah, God is watching out for my bank account because I thought she was gonna get something like, you know, out of this world type of situation. 4-piece nugget, and then she got like the barbecue dipping sauce. She got small fries and a junior bacon cheeseburger and a CMBSM freestyle. It could be this, I don't know. The first thing I like to do is try the drink, so let's try the drink. I think it's a strawberry drink. Yeah, but it's not like, ooh. I've had one of these fries, pretty good. The last time I had chicken nugget, it was in 2005 at McDonald's. That crap was nasty. And ever since then, I have never put a chicken nugget in my mouth ever since that day. So let's go ahead and try this. The moment of truth. You know what? It's not bad. It probably would taste much better with honey mustard, in my opinion. That is not how McDonald's chicken nuggets tasted in 2005. These are small fries. It's like the drink has no taste. Like it's supposed, I don't know. Plus, I had high hopes. I thought you was gonna order something bomb. This is the junior bacon cheeseburger. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys go to Wendy's and eat that. When I go to Wendy's, I usually have their salad. Oh, there's no pickles in here. Sis, you the MVP. No pickles. Regular schmegular degular burger, you know. I eat like a man. Like a hungry man. So fresh and so clean. It's called the getting food dance. You know, the happy dance. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go home and get ready for dinner. It's like very hot. It's been very hot in Florida. Sophie got no clothes on. Like, girl, that is not cute. Alright, so it is 6:30 and we are on our way to get dinner. This is an early dinner. I don't eat this this early. Got my sister, but she don't want to be on camera. She rude. Okay, so we're going to Sonic. We've never had Sonic before. Can't we just try Arby's? Good mood food.
We can try Arby's.
No, it's okay. I don't know. Arby's just looks so not appetizing to me. Okay, so we are at Sonic. It's an elderly Caucasian male. I think he's a Christian because he has National Bible College, a sticker on his thingy. My camera's about to die, sir. Can you please undale? He ordering a lot of stuff. Like, I'm gonna need him to stop. Like, he's ordering a lot. Like, sir, it's only one person in the car. Lord, I hope he's not. Oh my God, we have to get a lot of stuff. Okay. Oh my God, Carrie, I think he ordered a lot of stuff. Hi, can I get exactly what the person in front of me just got?
You want exactly what you want?
Yes, the same thing he ordered.
You want the number 1?
Yes.
Would you like a medium or large?
How did he get it? Was it medium or large?
He got a large.
I get a large. Everything that he got, I want the same thing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, your total is $12.59.
Okay, thank you. You know what? Today, how much did I spend? I spent $27 today. That's not bad. I thought I was gonna spend way more. I think they watched YouTube because they started laughing when I said it.
O'Reilly's.
Can you see my bald spot? Is it bad?
No.
I showed my mom. She started laughing. She was like, "You gotta put oil in it." I was like, "Okay." This is disrespectful. Oh my God! I think she's coming out.
It's a challenge for YouTube.
Yes.
I was wondering, like, wow. Can I say hi?
Oh yeah, sure, you can say hi. I saw you guys laughing, so I was like, she probably knows.
Yeah, we was like, it's for YouTube. Okay, your total was $12.59.
$12.59. Oh, did I just take the? Yes. Aw. And the drink.
I'm gonna come back with your straw and the peppermint. Okay.
Okay. We've been caught. We've been caught.
What's your YouTube channel?
Charlene Cadet.
Shirlene who?
Charlene Cadet.
Okay.
Yeah, Charlene Cadet.
We'll be right with you.
Okay, thank you. So we were made at the at Sonic. What did we order? Where's my receipt? We got a number 1, the combo cheeseburger large, tater tots large, and he got a sweet tea and add lemon. A shake. I didn't get a shake.
You want a shake?
1 shake peanut butter small.
That don't sound.
But ew, that sounds disgusting. But they charged me for it. I should go back, but I'm late. I wanted to try the peanut butter shake at least. I'll try the sweet tea. Let's see.
That's a tea.
Okay. It's sweet, but I don't like it. We got tater tots. I did not know that Sonic serves tater tots.
That's fries. Those are fries.
That's what?
Fries. That's why they say fries.
Okay. I need a thumbnail. So I'm gonna be okay, so we got tater tot. Oh, they're salty. That's good though. Try it. These are not called fries.
They call them fries.
These are called tater tots. Tater tots are good.
See how big this burger is? Pretty big.
This is a huge burger.
It's a large.
Sonic. What he got on there? I hope he don't got no pickles. Ew, he added pickles. I don't like pickles. This is the last meal of the day. I am full. This challenge makes me very full. This is what the burger looks like. I've never had Sonic before.
Oh wait.
It has pickles in there. I have to take out the pickles, Karen. Y'all ready? I don't want to mess with my lipstick.
Not bad.
It's not bad. It's just like any regular burger. This challenge has broadened my taste. Definitely not a coffee drinker. Don't like sweet tea. So only problem today I had was with the drinks. The food were okay. The drinks just like were not. So my sister's gonna have the rest of the food, and that's pretty much it, you guys. This was a really fun challenge. I didn't go too broke. I thank God, because he put good people in front of me that did not order that much, okay? So it's getting a little dark. Can you guys see? Okay, maybe one light, I don't know. It's like 7 o'clock now. I'm about to go get this money, or lack thereof. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, let me know if you're gonna do the challenge.